I recently came across the Braun Nevo being marketed as the brand's new flagship electric shaver. It promises AeroTouch technology, a surgical stainless steel unibody, intelligent sensors, and a redesigned cleaning system. The ads make it look like a revolutionary upgrade, but when the price tag is north of $600, the question becomes, is this a genuine leap forward or a luxury you don't actually need? Let's look at what the independent reviews are actually saying. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. Braun positions the Nevo as its new flagship shaver, featuring the world's first AeroTouch technology. According to Braun's official specs, the Nevo uses an ultra-low friction foil with 250 diamond-sharp cutting edges and a central processor that adapts in real time to beard density. It's the only electric shaver with a surgical stainless steel unibody, crafted from a single piece of steel using advanced hydroforming technology. When I looked at what independent reviewers and testers are actually saying, a very clear picture emerged. Independent reviews consistently praise the Nevo's shaving performance. Men's Health, testing it for a month, found it cuts cleaner and requires fewer passes through the trickiest areas around the neck than the Series 9. The reviewer noted, just like past Braun razors, this is the closest shave you'll get without switching to something manual. But it's also one of the most gentle. I exclusively shave dry with it, and I've yet to have any ingrowns or irritation after using it. Vice described it as the best electric shaver I've ever used in 20 years, calling the shave quick, close, and smooth. British GQ noted that the Braun Nevo delivers about as close to a wet shave as I've experienced from an electric shaver, and that it regularly buys another day, and sometimes two, before I feel the need to shave again. Reviewers consistently praise the new design. The surgical stainless steel unibody is described as ultralight, highly durable, and crafted from a single piece of steel using advanced hydroforming technology. Men's Health noted, Nevo is noticeably lighter and quieter than the Series 9. Its slick, metal handle feels like the closest an electric razor has gotten to the timeless grip and handle of a classic safety razor. The Japanese tech site kayak.com compared the Nevo directly with the Series 9 Pro Plus and noted the Nevo is light yet substantial, with a build that's solid and premium. The display provides real-time guidance on battery life, cleaning needs, and maintenance, replacing the basic indicators of previous models. The new carrying case is also a major upgrade. Men's Health described it as a hefty, charging-capable hardshell that more has the vibe of tech James Bond would use to break into a government's computer system than a simple travel case. The price is astronomical. At around $600 for the full kit, this is one of the most expensive electric shavers on the market. Vice noted, few will be able to justify spending $600 on a shaver, and those are who I direct to the Braun Series 8. Amazon reviews echo this sentiment. The shaver produces a really close shave, but it's not worth the $650 that I paid. No USB-C charging. The Nevo still uses Braun's proprietary charger instead of USB-C, which GQ described as not a deal-breaker, but it is disappointing. This was the perfect opportunity to usher in a new era of convenient charging, and you blew it. The trimmer is still weak. GQ noted that Braun's precision trimmer remains the weakest part of the package, and isn't worth employing for anything beyond tidying sideburns. You can only buy the full kit. Vice confirmed, you can only buy the Nevo with a self-cleaning station, into which you place the shaver, along with a puck of cleaning fluid. Every review I found pointed to the same alternative. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus delivers performance that's almost as good for significantly less money. Men's Health notes the Series 9 Pro Plus has been their best overall electric razor since 2024. Vice noted, the Series 8 is currently $213 and will give you almost as close of a shave as the Nevo, but for about one-third the cost. Amazon reviewers say the shave is excellent, but not worth the money for sure, compared to alternatives. So, is the Braun Nevo a scam? No, there is no evidence that the Braun Nevo is a scam. It is a legitimate shaver with strong independent reviews. The real concern is whether its extremely high price is justified. This is a genuine, high-performance shaver with legitimate innovations in shave closeness, comfort, and build quality. But you're paying a massive premium for what is, ultimately, an incremental improvement over the already excellent Series 9 Pro Plus. If you want the absolute best electric shaver and price is no object, the Nevo delivers. But for most people, the smarter buy is the Series 9 Pro Plus and saving a few $100s.